We divide 378 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 8 and it is 28. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 378 divided by 5 is 75.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.